What's up guys, I'm Random Frank P, back with some cool tech under $50 for July. This series we show off some of the best tech you can buy under that price point. If you see anything you like in this episode, I will have it all listed for you in the description down below so you can check it out. And shout out to last month's winners. I've commented on your posts from last month's episode, so congrats if you won. And as we do in this series, I'll pick 5 people to win whatever you want in this episode. All you have to do is hit that thumbs up button down below and comment your favorite product and why you like it. And in next month's episode, I will pick the winners there. So first off is gonna be a pretty inexpensive gaming bundle from GameGaes. This is the Eris. We have their gaming keyboard along with their mouse for a very affordable price. This is gonna be for those who wanna save some money when picking up new peripherals. So the GameGaes Eris keyboard is RGB backlit. It does have this sort of 7-color backlit like rainbow effect going on. It is static so it doesn't move, but as a whole it's not that bad of a keyboard. On the side you have 3 macro buttons. The key switches are membrane so they're not going to be loud and clicky. It is a full-size layout and it even comes with a detachable wrist rest for you. Then along with that you also get their mouse. This is an optical mouse with 4000 DPI. This also lights up a little bit for some extra flair, and it has a modular weight tuning system on the bottom if you want to add or take away some of the weight here to fit your preference. And both of these come in at only $40 total for the bundle. So like I said, this is going to be a great little bundle for somebody who wants to save some money, whether you're building your PC now and you want to buy some peripherals, or you just don't want to break the bank. This mouse and keyboard combo for only 40 bucks is definitely a good deal. You get both the mouse and keyboard, removable wrist rest, the macro buttons, some limited RGB lighting with this membrane keyboard, but for that price, you really can't beat it. Next up is gonna be my Yi Action Cam. I picked this up just for my honeymoon last month. My wife and I got married, and I was actually really surprised with the quality. So taking a look at it, it's obviously gonna resemble other, small action cams like this, pretty similar to like a GoPro. Now that it's summertime, this is gonna be great for everybody who's looking for one of these, whether you're big into water sports in the summer, skateboarding, going on hiking trips, anything you would need an action cam for, this has got you covered. But I picked this up because it had a lot of the features I was looking for. On the back, you have a 2-inch touchscreen so you can actually see what you're recording and stuff. It also has built-in Wi-Fi so you can tether it to your phone and actually see what you're recording on there if you want. It takes both photos and videos. It has 4K quality, which can also be 1080p if you want. It can shoot up to 60 FPS and shoots at a nice 150-degree wide angle. So like I said, it had all the features I was looking for. It's small and easily pocketable, so that's a big reason why I wanted to pick this up. And you can see the quality of some of these videos. Like, it looks pretty damn good. That's why I was impressed. And since you can shoot in 4K, if that 150-degree wide angle is kind of too much for you, you can always crop in, which is another bonus. So when I picked this up, it was $49, but when I recently checked, it was $59. So I'd keep an eye on this, see if you can get it on like a flash deal or something. So I really didn't know what to expect overall, but like I said, for $50, I cannot complain at all. I love the quality of the footage. You have all the different recording formats and stuff like that. And really, if you need something like this, this is gonna be a great pickup. Now, next up is an awesome find, and that's the CyberSonic Amp DAC. This highly exceeded my expectations. I know you guys love when I show off little audio gadgets. This is probably a top of the line find for the series. So what this is made for is like your desktop. Say you're sick of plugging your headphones into your PC's I/O, or you're just not happy with the overall audio quality coming from your PC, plug this in and take advantage. And plus there's no drivers needed, it's just plug and go. So what this does is really enhance the overall quality of your audio, giving it a boost at the same time. But one of the big reasons people like this is because on the front you have that big audio dial. This makes for quick and easy audio adjustments if you don't have like a volume wheel on your keyboard or anything. And if you don't want to keep going into your sound settings on your PC, you can just reach out and easily adjust it with this dial. For connecting it to your PC, you have your mini USB port, you have your coaxial and optical for your digital audio out, and plus a right and left channel for the RCA cables, if you're like plugging this into something like speakers. Then on the front, you have your 1/4-inch headphone jack. If you're just using regular headphones, you can plug into the 3.5mm headphone jack, plus a mic input if you want to record and monitor at the same time. Then there on the left side, you have 3 different settings. This is what's gonna add some slight boost to your audio. Up top for T is like enhancing the treble. D is more your standard sound signature, but if you flip it down to B, that's gonna be your bass boost. This could be a great addition to your gaming setup or just whatever desk setup you have. Trust me, it's gonna be way better than your stock audio coming out of your PC or laptop. Best part is, it's $40. Next up is a $30 fitness tracker, activity tracker, heart rate monitor, pretty much every sort of tracker you would want for the summertime if you're out, getting fit, getting active and all that. Definitely inexpensive and it works great. But if you're trying to change up your lifestyle and you want something like this for the summertime, I got you. So on the front is that nice OLED display. And all you do is tap and swipe on the bottom of the display here. That's where your touch sensitivity is gonna be. There you can scroll through all the different modes. You long press to activate that exercise, and you can add different exercises and stuff directly from your phone. The app was actually pretty expansive. It was really surprising. It tracks everything there. You can go in, like I said, add different exercises, and just monitor everything from the app if you want. Whether it's how many steps you took that day, the calories burned, your current BPM, maybe how long you slept that night. This little activity tracker has got you covered for that small price. These come in a few different colors as well. I just picked it up in blue. And in terms of battery life and standby mode, it said it can last up to a week. I found though throughout my testing, it lasted around 5 days before I had to charge it. And the best part is there are no cables. The USB is actually built into the tracker itself, so you take off one of the sides of the wristbands, you plug it in, and then it charges up right away for you. Thought that was pretty nifty. But what's funny is I picked this up and then I compared it to my older, the Garmin Vivo Sport, whatever. It's essentially the same exact thing, all the same features, but instead of it being like 170 bucks, only like around $30, it's much more feasible. So I'm a big fan of it. And like I said, for the summertime, if you're trying to get fit and active, this is gonna be the way to go. And then last but not least is the Bento Stack. It's marketed often with like Apple products and stuff for carrying things back and forth, but you can use this really for whatever you want. But what this is used for is organization when you're traveling. It's essentially this small stackable box. It's gonna let you organize, cables, dongles, headphones, I don't know, maybe like your watch, some pens and pencils. You get the idea. I picked it up in this nice matte space gray finish. It has this like slight rubber coating on it, which feels really nice. It's just overall a really modern looking box. Now with it being stackable, you can also remove and add certain parts of this as you please. So you don't need to have it fully stacked up at all times if you're on the go. But like I said, the big thing here is gonna be the ease of organization while you're traveling. Whether you're going to your friend's house for the day, you put this in your backpack, or if you're on a plane, in your briefcase or anything, it's gonna keep all your chargers, cables, earbuds, everything organized in this tiny compact box. So it's not gonna take up much space at all. You don't have to worry about everything getting all tangled up in the bottom of your backpack or anything like that. That's the big reason why I picked this up, and it is $50, so a bit pricey for what it is, but for how often I use this, definitely don't regret it at all. And guys, that'll wrap it up for this Cool Tech Under $50 episode for July. Hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget, check the links in the description down below for all the gear and products you saw. They'll be listed down there for you. If you liked the episode, give it a thumbs up to show your support. Feel free to follow me on Twitter at randomfrankp. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Well, I'm Random Frank P. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.